everyone, my name's Daniela, and on this channel we love to make cocktails and DIYs and crafts, and in today's video I have a super special announcement. I want to invite all the DIYers out there, on YouTube or not, to challenge you to do some sort of multicultural holiday DIY. Think back about your family, your ancestors, your grandparents, whoever. Where did they come from and how can you represent them in a DIY this holiday season? So for example, I've got some things here that I have collected over the years. My family is, well, my mom is from Chile and my dad is a few bits of European, so he's German, Swedish, Czech. So here I've got some Chilean decor that I have at home. But it could be anything. I think this is an awesome opportunity, whether you are Polish or German or Jamaican or Mexican, whatever you are. There's some goodies I got from Jamaica. I just want to inspire you guys to make something that represents your culture or your heritage or your family this holiday season, and I can't wait to see what you're going to make. I'm going to be shouting out some YouTubers that I would love to see make some creations. And hopefully at least some of them enter this challenge. I just think it'll be so fun and cool to see how different everyone's family roots have celebrated this holiday, or how they can integrate that into something. Make it your own. Don't forget, like, you don't be intimidated that you need to make it like some sort of original holiday tradition that may have been part of that culture. Make it your own and just infuse it with some of that flavor. I love that. I'm so excited and I can't wait to see you guys. I am going to post all the details below and on my Instagram page, so make sure to check that out as well. This is gonna go live on Sunday, December 13th at 4 p.m. Mountain Time, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. So get out there, share this video with your favorite YouTubers, see what they can come up with. Again, it doesn't matter what your heritage is, anybody can do this. Just think about where your family comes from and what your roots are. Can't wait to see you guys. All right, good luck.